Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this very simple sword effect in UE4 Niagara. So let's start this tutorial. So I have this empty project UE 4.27 and quickly I create a mesh of sword in Maya. You can download it from lots of site, but let's create it very quickly. Very basic sword I need. So I'll just take this box, sorry, the box cube, and scale it down, then maybe like this, and oops, sorry, so like this, and then I'll extrude this one here and this one, press G and here, and then I will scale it down like this, or maybe I'll just move it here, then extrude again, and then I will scale it down. Okay, and also like this, and also I will scale this one little bit, but not much. So because this is going to be very simple sword, so let's okay, let's take the vertexes and maybe, okay, cool, and maybe I will add some edges here and here, and then on the text mode I will move these. Okay, and also scale it down, and then maybe this much, or and then again extrude, and then again, and this time scale it down and also move it here. Maybe that's it. So we got a simple sword, low poly sword, and if I smooth it, we can use smooth version and we can apply some supporting edge. So press 3 and you can just apply these, and also here, and also here also, and then here, one here. That's it. So press 1 again, and then I can smooth this with smooth. So we got this now. I think this is nice, and the pivot point is here, but I want it around here, from where you grab this thing. Okay, and UVs really doesn't matter, but I'll just use the automatic maybe. Yeah, well, I'm not going to make a material for this and I think this is slightly wide from here, so I will scale it down a little bit. Yeah, so we got our sword. I'll just freeze this and export this to desktop as some sword 1, and in my Unreal I will import that desktop sword import. Okay, and this is our sword, and it has also this material. So M sword, And what I'll do with this, I'll take the particle color and connect it here, and okay, for now I'll just use a flat color. Save this, and I'll make a FX fountain and FX sword FX. And here first I need a mesh renderer, so I'll use that sword, then material,